Hi, and welcome to this 10-minute all-standing HIIT workout. All moves will be low impact. We've got 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest in between our 10 moves. This workout is also part of the all 10-minute standing series. So following this workout, days of this week, I'll be posting standing upper body, lower body with no lunges or squats, also standing abs and with some balance challenge, and then finally 10-minute standing stretch. Make sure to look for those workouts as well. Let's go ahead and get started with our HIIT workout, starting with 4 alternating steps. Then we go out, out, in, out, out, repeating that. Out, in. Out, out, in. You go at your own pace, but HIIT is called high intensity interval training. So we're really gonna get that heart rate up, burn some calories in this short workout. Push it. Out, out, in. And that's it, 15 seconds of rest. Next move is going to be a grapevine. So I'm gonna start a little bit over to the side. We'll start to the left. Big moves as you can make them, nice big legs. And then we're gonna crisscross our arms in front. So out, together. Step out, step back, side together. Really pull those arms back, feel the stretch in your chest, and then squeeze it back together. You can always make this a little bit more intense by adding a hop. A few more here. And rest. Catch your breath. Next, we're going into a sumo squat. So the legs are gonna be nice and wide, toes are to the corners. And we're gonna reach down low and then reach up high. Sit those hips back, knees are pressed out to the sides in line with those toes. When you reach down, think of a nice straight spine. So you're sticking your hips back and your chest forward. I like to think of this one as reaching down, picking up a box, and putting it on the shelf. Weight should be in your heels, so we're keeping the pressure off of those kneecaps. Good. You got a few more seconds. Working those glutes. And rest. Next move, we have 3 side steps with 1 heel raise. When we step to the side, we're reaching and pulling with our arms, and arms go overhead. Here we go. Reach and pull. Keep the knees bent. Then we go up and down. Reach and pull. Keep knees bent, like little mini walking squats. Up and down. You can keep it slow or pick up the pace. Sit your hips back. Lift. And rest. Come back to center. Next, we've got some hamstring curls. So making sure the knees are pointed down towards the floor. Heel is coming up towards the glutes. Here we go. Feel that heart rate getting up. And let's reach and pull back with those elbows. Get that heel up towards your bum as much as possible. If you ever feel like you're working too hard, you can always lose the hands. Keep breathing. Big reach and pull. Squeeze behind you. You got it. And rest. Halfway there. Next, we have a side lunge with a little inner heel tap there. So we're lunging just to the right first. So we reach down here, hips come back, pop up, and then turn the leg out, reaching for that heel. Lunge, pop up. Maybe we can do it in one move like this. Proud chest on this one. Shoulders down and back. Good, other side. Big lunge, heel tap. Knee in line with that toe, just facing forward. Sit those hips back. And rest. All right, next we have knee drives to the front, so just alternating high knees. Hands are gonna be clasped together, and as we bring that knee up, we're gonna twist to the side. Great core work. Twist and twist. Pull that belly button into the spine. Keep breathing and keep that twist for me. Ten more seconds. And rest. Next, we have one big side step out to the side. We reach and pull it back down. So like a big side step squat. Here we go. Big step, pull it down. Reach up as you sit back. If squats are not your thing, you just keep it small and just do a step touch. But I really want you to pick up the speed then and really reach the arms. So keep that heart rate up. Sit those hips back. Weight in the heels. Almost there, guys. 10 more seconds. And break. 2 more moves. Second to last one is an alternating toe tap to the back. So we just step together and tap that toe to the back. Really want you to focus on squeezing those glutes as you get the toe back. And if you've got some energy left, we can add some jumping jack arms here. So palms forward, shoulders down and back. Get those toes back there. Squeeze the glute. The further you step back, the better. I know you're feeling those shoulders. So good, almost there. Keep it up. And rest. Nice work. Last move. Toes facing forward. Feet are a little wider than those hips. We have 4 punches forward and then a bend down and coming back up. Here we go. A little bend to the knees. Punch, 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 punch. Down and up. Let's try to alternate which hand we start with. So left, right, down and up. Right, right, left, down and up. It's the last one, guys. Stay with me, you got it. Tighten that core. Keep breathing. Last one. And rest. All right, after the first day this video is posted, go on continue to custom make your own workout. Add in arms, abs, stretch, you name it. Thanks for working out with me, and we'll see you next time.